चिल्ड्रन आज हम क्वेश्चंस करेंगे रिमाइंडर थ्योरम पर बेस्ड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 ले रहे हैं. व्हाट्स गिवन इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 1? This is one polynomial px and this is another polynomial qx. You have to divide px by qx and then you have to find out remainder. Children, in this method, we are not finding out remainder by long division method. We are using remainder theorem. What the remainder theorem says? Theorem says that the term by which you are dividing, if you are dividing by x minus a, then putting this a on place of x, you can get remainder on division. So if we put this a on place of x in the polynomial, then we can find out remainder. This is the statement of remainder theorem. Again, I am letting you know, if you are dividing by x minus a, then putting this a on place of x in this polynomial, whatever the result is coming, that result is called remainder. Okay, so first of all, we are given this qx. I'm finding out 0 of qx. It means that value of x which is giving this x minus 1 as 0. So what I do, I put this x minus 1 equals to 0. So value of x is coming 1. Now this x value I will put on place of x in polynomial. So what the polynomial becomes? P1. On right side also, I am putting wherever x is coming, I am putting 1 there. So what it becomes on simplification? This, and answer is coming 2. It means the remainder is coming 2 when we divide by x minus 1. Now let us have one more example. Let us see one more example. Now we are given this is, now we are given that there is polynomial px is this, qx is this, and again we are dividing px by qx and we have to find out remainder. So first of all, we will find out what is a here, what will be the value of a. To find out a, I am finding out 0 of qx, means I am putting this equals to 0, means I am finding out that value of x which is giving this complete as 0. So what is that value is coming? X equals to minus 1. Now this minus 1 I will put on place of x in polynomial. So that will be my remainder. On right side also I am putting x equals to minus 1. So here this is coming minus 1 plus 1 as it is, and I am getting this as 0. It means the remainder is coming 0. So whenever remainder comes exactly 0, in that case this x plus 1 will be complete factor of polynomial. It means it is completely dividing the polynomial px, so qx will be a complete factor of the polynomial. Hopefully this is clear from second example. Now next we will do in next class. Okay.